Pop! OS review. Pop! OS, created by System 75, is a refined Linux distribution based on Ubuntu, designed with an emphasis on productivity, speed, and user friendliness. This key highlight is a Rust-powered Cosmic desktop environment, which features intelligent auto-tiling, customizable panels, and a sleek minimalistic interface that reduces distractions. The operating system offers excellent hardware compatibility, particularly with NVIDIA and AMD graphics cards, making it a great choice for gamers, developers, and creatives. Some pros is that it has a user-friendly Cosmic desktop with smart auto-tiling, strong hardware and GPU compatibility, especially with NVIDIA and AMD. It also has enhanced security with default full disk encryption, frequent user-controlled updates, and integrated Flatpak support. It also is tailored for developers, creators, and gamers focused on productivity. Cosmic Desktop is still evolving and may have minor bugs. Another con is that its boot times can be slower than expected, and repository may lack some niche software options. So the verdict is, Pop! OS is truly worth considering in 2025 if you want a modern, secure, and developer-focused Linux distribution that works seamlessly with powerful GPU support and productivity tools. It's particularly well suited for coding, gaming, and creative work. Subscribe.